In a refreshing turn of events, the Trump administration is basking in unexpected praise from a wide array of stakeholders, including animal advocacy groups and lawmakers, following groundbreaking announcements concerning the cessation of animal testing within the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. This move has been met with applause, signaling a potential milestone in both ethical scientific practices and animal welfare. The FDA's recent decision to phase out animal testing for antibody therapies and other drugs marks a significant shift towards more humane and technologically advanced testing strategies. According to Kathy Guillermo, Senior Vice President of PETA, this decision is a significant step in fulfilling the agency's commitment to replace animal use in testing. PETA, a long-standing advocate against animal testing, views this as a victory in the fight against the unnecessary suffering of animals and a move towards embracing 21st century science. This decision aligns with the FDA's announcement that future drug evaluations will leverage AI-based computational modeling and human organ model-based lab testing. These innovative methods not only promise to accelerate the development of cures and treatments for humans, but also significantly reduce the costs associated with research and development. FDA Commissioner Martin A. Makary emphasized that this shift is a win-win for public health, ethics, and the bottom line of drug pricing. The phase-out specifically targets the use of animals such as dogs, rats, and fish in testing for monoclonal antibody therapies. Instead, the FDA plans to utilize organoids, or artificially grown cell masses that mimic human organs. This approach promises to be a more ethical and accurate way to test the efficacy and safety of new treatments. On the same day, the EPA, under the leadership of Chief Lee Zeldin, announced the reinstatement of a 2019 policy initially introduced during Trump's first term. This policy aims to eliminate animal testing at the agency, with a goal to reduce testing on mammals by 30% by 2025 and eliminate it completely by 2035. The decision to revert to this policy comes after the Biden administration had previously moved away from these goals, delaying crucial compliance deadlines. These announcements have garnered praise from various animal rights groups, including the White Coat Waste Project. This organization had previously reported on questionable testing practices under Dr. Anthony Fauci's leadership at the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, which involved testing on beagle dogs. In light of the new developments, the group commended both the FDA and EPA for taking decisive steps to eliminate bureaucratic red tape that has historically forced companies and tax-funded federal agencies into conducting inhumane and often unnecessary animal tests. It's worth noting that these changes are not only beneficial from an ethical standpoint, but also economically. As Justin Goodman, Senior Vice President at White Coat Waste, pointed out, reducing wasteful and cruel animal testing sends a powerful message to animal abusers within the federal government to stop the misuse of funds. The Humane World for Animals echoed these sentiments, expressing optimism about the EPA's recommitment to phasing out animal testing. Kitty Block, the organization's president, emphasized that promises alone do not spare lives. It's imperative to replace outdated and painful testing methods with modern, humane alternatives that have widespread public support. In a world where scientific progress and ethical standards often find themselves at odds, these recent developments provide a hopeful glimpse into a future where innovation does not come at the expense of compassion. The Trump administration's unexpected alignment with animal rights advocates in this instance serves as a reminder that constructive changes are possible when diverse groups find common ground. As we continue to monitor these promising developments, we would love to hear your thoughts. What is your opinion on the phasing out of animal testing in favor of more humane alternatives? Do you believe this marks a significant turning point in scientific research and animal rights? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content that dives deep into the latest news with an optimistic twist. Your engagement helps us bring you more stories that matter, so don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think.